Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is background of industrial policy in India. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discussed various topics related to it like concept and elements of business environment, economic policies, monetary policy of India and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the background of industrial policy in India. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is background of industrial policy in India. So as we know that industrial policy amended many times in India. So what is the background? What is the older position, ancient position of industrial policy? We'll discuss here. Till 1923, there was no separate industrial policy in India. Protection policy was adopted by this policy, which was introduced by Britishers in India, because at that time India was not independent country. When India became independent in 1947, the industrial base of the economy was very small and industries were faced with many problems such as shortage of raw materials, deficiency of capital, bad industrial relations and so on. So before the industrial policy, India has so many problems related to industrial area like shortage of raw materials, deficiency of capital, bad industrial relations and so on. The investors were not sure about the industrial policy of the new national government and the industrial climate was brought with uncertainties. The government thus called an industrial conference in December 1947 to improve the matter and remove the uncertainties. After that, the new industrial policy was formed by that time of government. So this is all about the background of industrial policy in India. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what is the background of industrial policy? It was basically there's no industrial policy in India before independence in country. Only protection policy was adopted by the Britishers or Britain persons who ruled in the country before independence. And after 1947, when we get independence, there are so many problems in industrial area like industrialization, shortage of raw material, deficiency of capital and other facilities like for the industrial activities. So there is a meeting called by that time of government to remove that, to eliminate that problems and to form new type of industrial policy in India. So this is all about the background of this industrial policy in India. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.